Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So, some Roku users have been experiencing 014.30 error code and stating on screen, unable to connect to wireless network. Regardless of the cause, in this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 1. Restart your Roku device. Sometimes all you need to do is reboot your primary device and then see if the error is gone. It is effective in most cases and might also fix this Roku error. So, simply restart your Roku streaming device and check if it is able to connect to your wireless network or not. You can perform a restart using the Roku remote. Just use the settings. Then go to System. Go to Power. Select System Restart option on the Roku menu to reboot your Roku system. Method 2. Restart your router. You might also need to restart your Wi-Fi router and modem. This will work in case a corrupted cache on your router is causing the issue. So, simply turn off your router and then restart it. It will fix the error if there was some temporary glitch in the router or it was caused due to some router cache. Method 3. Make sure the Wi-Fi login credentials are correct, as one of the common causes of this error is an incorrect Wi-Fi password. So, make sure that you have entered the correct password for your wireless network. If you have recently changed login credentials for your Wi-Fi, then you will re-enter the login credentials to connect to your Wi-Fi. Method 4. Power cycle your device. Firstly, shut down the primary Roku device and router. Then, unplug the device and wait for about 5 minutes. Now, plug in your router and restart it. Next, plug in your Roku device and restart it. Now, you can try connecting to your wireless network on Roku and see if the error is gone or not. Method 5. Try connecting to different wireless network or different router. If you have more than one router, try replacing the router you are using with another router. We do this to rule out the possibility that the problem is caused by advanced security settings or a damaged router. If that's not possible, try connecting to a different wireless network, such as a neighbor's wireless network, mobile data, LTE, 4G, 5G, etc. Then check if the problem is gone. Method 6. Reset network settings. Go to Settings. Go to System. Go to Advanced System Settings. Select Network Connection Reset. Select Reset Connection. Method 7. Perform Factory Reset. For that, go to the Roku settings from the home screen and navigate to the system. Go to Advanced System Settings. After that, press Factory Reset. See if your Roku device is able to connect to a wireless network after performing a factory reset. Finally, if none of the above methods work for you, then factory reset the router. To do that, make sure keep your router plugged in. Next, find your router's reset button. This will be on the back or the bottom of your router. Use a paperclip or similar object to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button. Wait for the router to power back on and check if your Roku device is able to connect to a wireless network. Please contact your internet service provider or Roku support if the problem persists. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.